That mat alone is like $100, I think.
Yeah,
it was expensive.
Yeah.
Some people do.
That's from us. No, that's from us.
But you don't have a card in it?
The little thing says it.
Okay. I wasn't sure if there was another card.
Present.
Happy? Is that for you?
For Val.
No, that's not from us.
Not from you, is it?
That's weird. That's my bag.
Oh, somebody must have had the same
The same bag. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's not from me.
You're making me nervous. What's that from?
No name?
Or you can't read it.
Nilda. Nilda? The lady that left with Angie?
Oh, Nilda? Yeah. Okay, that's Angie's mom.
Oh. This is it's a card cover for the car seat.
Right, so it holds the car seat.
Actually, I think it's... Oh, this is the mat for the back of the seat, so it's supposed to be 30.
Oh, okay.
You know, I'm just going to grab the cake and slice it and then bring it back.
Okay, that's fine.
Hi, little girl.
And then the dress.
Aww. God.
Aw.